You may not be able to post every day on your WordPress site, periodically or in time. You can schedule your posts, so let me show you how it's done. In WordPress dashboard, click Posts. And next, click Add New Post in the left of the screen. In the right, add all the post content, like the title of the post in the title field, and the main content of the WordPress post in the main content box. But there is no schedule option visible, which is hidden. Now to schedule the post, click Immediately option on the right side of the screen. And here, you can set the future date and time here by changing them in this time and date panel. And finally, click the Schedule button in the top. And again, confirm scheduling the WordPress post. And done scheduling, you can see here the date and time on which the post will be published. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add more content.